Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Lora with Stitching with Lora. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great Sunday and a great weekend. Well, as you can see, we have an unbagging. That means we have a review. So let's see what's in the bag. I see a Joy Sunday kit. 2 of them, in fact. And these two... Oh no. You'll see what I mean here in a moment. Yeah. Okay. These kits come from PaintSomeWay, and I've never known them to mess up. But everyone's human. They sent me 2 of the same kit. So we'll put one over here and we'll review the other one. Now, if they have any specials or any discount codes, I will put them right in here and in the description box below. So let's get on to this kit. This kit is a 52 by 52. And it was $14.99. So, yeah. Let's get it out of the bag here. And since it's so big, it takes a moment to get everything out. This is a partial. And this is what it looks like. I don't know why they sent me 2 of these. I have no idea. I didn't order 2. Just 1. So they must have pulled the wrong thing. But I thought it was kind of pretty. I really, really did. I like the way it's done. There's going to be some back stitching involved. I can see that. And the background looks like it's all half cross stitch. So that'll be cool. And, oh, I was looking for how big it is. It's 45 by 45 stitches. And we have 54 total colors. We have full stitch, half stitch, and back stitch. So 54 colors in the half, in full stitch. And 8 colors in half cross stitch. And 5 in back stitch. We have that 54, which is a mulberry. We have 310 black. We have 321, which is what I call Christmas red. We have 815, which is a brick red. No 939 or 823. No 33s. Yep, we have 3371, which is the dark brown. And we're using 3865 and a crew for white. You have 2 sets of numbers. The top set goes to the paper pattern, and the bottom goes to the canvas. The key that runs along the bottom should be fairly big because of its size, so that's good. But it's always nice to have an extra set of numbers. I do like that part. So yeah, we have some straight line stitching, just kind of outlining the buildings. Few for the little birds, but yeah, this whole background where I don't know if it's showing up, is kind of a tan brown. It's all half cross stitch in the background. So I guess just the buildings, a little bit on the road for back stitching, that is, sorry. There's a little bit for a fence line. But yeah, I just thought it was interesting. And this booklet has 9 different sections, but 3 of those 9 are just like the bottom of it. So if you went like this, it's just that side or bottom edge. So very nice, very nice. And I want to see something. Yeah, it's 14 count. I don't know, sometimes when I look at these canvases, they just look huge. I don't know. Weird. Okay, it does come on one of these kind of thread cards. It's kind of a plain thread card. It does have 2 needles. There are 3 thread cards here. Let me get them separated. Very nice. Browns. There's your 3865 and your crew. Beautiful brown. Tan. Kind of a yellow-orange. We have blues, reds. Here's your 3371, that dark brown. More blues. And then over here we have a wide variety. There is the mulberry that, I don't know, it's kind of a burgundy, if you will. Kind of some rustish browns. There's your 321, your 310, 814, 815, whichever one it was. So a nice wide array of colors. And I haven't seen one of these thread cards in a hot moment, but very nice. Let's take a look at the canvas. Yeah, get it undone. It's kind of a vignette, or vignette. I don't know how you say that word. So it is a partial. Very nice, just beautifully printed. Let me hold this up and as still as I possibly can. Nice clear symbols. And like I said, here's the key. It's very big, very easy to see all the numbers and the symbols. So everybody's falling apart here. I'm going to fold this in half. There's just no way. So on this side you have your back stitch, your half cross stitch, and then your numbers run along here, folding. And they run all the way around. So very nice. Very nicely done. I think it's going to be beautiful. I just like the winter scenery and the castle and all the little houses and stuff. You know me, I love little doodads and things. And when it has more elements than just the main picture, does that make sense? Thank you, PaintSomeWay, for sending me these two lovely kits that were the same. But no, it's fine. I will let them know, and they'll probably include what else I ordered in the next review. They do have diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all of that. They have great prices, great sales, and huge selection. Thank you for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.